Very good evening, one and all. This is MSR. Welcome to Math Classes में MSR. So in this video, I would like to tell you about what is percentile score in JEE Mains and JEE Mains. What is percentile score in JEE Mains? And people thinks that percentile score is nothing but percentage. No, percentage is completely different from percentile. Okay, so since entrance exam is conducted over several slots and several dates, and the difficulty level of questions may vary from slot to slot and session to session also. So the NTA introduced normalization process to get the percentile score. So uh, how to calculate the percentile score, how they are going to calculate percentile score, we are going to discuss now. For example, some particular date, suppose some April 1st to April 5th mains exam is conducted, suppose for 5 days. For each day there will be two slots, morning slot and afternoon slot. Suppose April 1st you take April 1st morning slot, afternoon slot. Okay, so each slot how many marks? Mains exam will be conducted for 300 marks. Okay, morning slot may be easy. Sometimes see the difficulty level of the question paper may vary from slot to slot, session to session, yes or no? So it may vary. Suppose here the student highest mark, suppose this morning session exam all over India, around some 50,000 students attended, and afternoon also some 50,000 students are attended. It may vary, not exactly. So some 50,000 students attended in the morning session, 50,000 students attended in the afternoon session, like that April 2nd, 3rd, 4th and 5th. So every slot, okay, some 50 to 60,000 or 70,000 or 80,000, it may depends on number of students, that we cannot say exactly. So in this morning session, suppose one highest mark in the morning session is 280, suppose highest mark in the afternoon session is 280, 250 suppose. So here you can say that afternoon session paper is difficult than morning session. So here morning session paper, one student got 280 marks. In afternoon session student, one student got 250, that is the highest. Suppose this is the highest, 250 is the highest mark in afternoon session, 280 is the highest mark in morning session. So what is the percentile score of the student? The student name is some A, student name is some B. So A's percentile score is what? B's percentile score is what? So we use this formula. Number of students who secured a raw score, here our for us score is 280. One student, this is the actual score. Actual score less than or equal to the candidate. So the number of students who scored less than or equal to 80 means how many students will be there? 50,000 only. So total number of students will come into picture, because this is the highest means all the students will be less than 280 only, so 50,000 by 50,000 means the number of students less than or equal to 280 by total number of students appeared in the session, so 50,000 in that particular session into 100. So the percentile score of the student A is 100. Similarly here if we see afternoon session, the student scored 250. This is the highest in that particular session. So that means number of students who got less than or equal to 250 is 50,000. Total number of students attended is 50,000 into 100. Here also the percentile score is 100. So here 280 marks student, he got 280 marks. Here also he got here the student got 250 marks, but their percentile scores are 100. Okay, depending on the paper level, based on your marks, your percentile score will change. So this percentile score is not your percentage. Here I can say that it is the percentile score is nothing but how many students are below and are below your marks. You can indicate in that manner. This percentile will indicate that. So suppose in this morning session itself, some other student got some 270 marks. Some see how what is the rank of what is the percentile score of the student is 270 is number of students who got less than or this individually every student cannot calculate his percentage score. Only NTA can calculate his score because we will not have data how many students appeared, how many students who scored less than or equal to 270. Thus data we won't have, we will not get. As an individual we will not get, only NTA will get. So this number of students, suppose number of students who got less than or equal to 270, say suppose some 40,000 students are there. Okay, 280 is the first score, first ranker score in that particular session, and some other student who got 270, not second ranker I mean to say. So there are 40,000 students less than or equal to 270. So what is the percentile score of the students is 270 by number of students less than or equals to 270 marks is 40,000 students. Total number of students attended in that particular session is 50,000 into 100. So your answer is, your percentile score of that particular students 520 is right, 80. So the percentile score of student C is 80. Those he got 270 marks out of 300. So his percentile is 80, like that. So this is an example. Okay, you cannot say that if you get 270 your rank will be, your percentile will be 80, not like that. This is an example. Suppose in this also, so simple. The thing is, number of students who secure the actual score less than or equals to the candidate. Means suppose a particular students who scored in April 4th he wrote exam in the afternoon and he scored 200 marks. His percentile score will be depending upon number of students who are less than him. His percentile score will be depending on number of students less than him. Means suppose out of some 1 lakh students, suppose they wrote in that particular exam, the students who got less than or equals to 200 will be some 50,000, okay, by 1 lakh, okay, into 100, okay. So his percentile score is 50%. So that is the percentile score. Percentile score is not at all equivalent to percentage. Keep this point in the mind. So percentile score, in a way we can say that your rank in that particular session. Okay, and so based on the percentile scores of across all the slots, they will give you the ranking. Based on the percentile score across all the slots, as the morning, afternoon, across 10 slots, they will give you the ranking. So this is about percentile score calculation in JEE Mains examination. Thank you all.